The 2025 Toyota will be makes a surprising and stylish return, rekindling the bold spirit of the original Ali Do Safar model with a modern twist. Known for its retro-futuristic design and youthful appeal, the new will be keeps its eccentric charm intact while introducing a new wave of technology, efficiency, and smart features tailored to the modern urban driver. This comeback is not just about nostalgia, it's about blending the past's personality with today's innovations. Toyota has reimagined the Will as a compact hatchback that defies conventional design language. Its signature triangular rear glass, upright rear profile, and rounded edges remain, paying homage to the iconic silhouette of the original model. But the 2025 version refines everything: sleeker LED headlamps, a cleaner front fascia, and aerodynamic improvements give it a more mature yet quirky presence. The vehicle's design isn't just aesthetic, it's built for tight city driving, with compact proportions, excellent visibility, and a tight turning radius. Inside, the cabin is a thoughtful blend of minimalism and character. A digital instrument cluster and a centrally mounted infotainment screen dominate the dash, while soft touch materials and customizable ambient lighting elevate the interior ambience. Toyota has clearly targeted the younger demographic or city commuters, offering wireless smartphone integration, voice command features, and a unique retro-themed interface that gives users a sense of nostalgia combined with digital ease. Under the hood, the 2025 will be offers two powertrains, a 1.5-liter petrol engine and a hybrid variant for eco-conscious users. The petrol engine is zippy and fuel efficient, while the hybrid version delivers exceptional mileage, making it ideal for urban stop-and-go traffic. Toyota's reliable CVT transmission keeps the ride smooth, and the updated suspension system improves handling, even on bumpy roads. The hybrid version, in particular, benefits from regenerative braking and EV-only mode at low speeds, helping reduce emissions and improve efficiency. Safety is no afterthought here. The Will comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. These features make it not only fun but safe for first-time drivers, students, and urban professionals who need to navigate crowded streets. Another standout feature is Toyota's attention to personalization. Buyers can select from bold dual-tone color options, various wheel styles, and even quirky interior trims that reflect the vehicle's youthful vibe. Optional accessories, such as roof racks, contrast-colored side mirrors, and custom floor mats, allow users to truly make their Will their own. While it may not appeal to everyone, especially those seeking performance or luxury, the 2025 Toyota Will is unapologetically unique. It caters to drivers who value individuality, ease of use, and sustainable city mobility. Toyota has brought back one of its most distinct designs and turned it into a smart, practical, and emotionally engaging product for a new generation. In a market saturated with look-alike crossovers and SUVs, the 2025 Toyota Will stands out as a refreshing reminder that cars can still be fun, expressive, and deeply personal. With its bold styling, tech-friendly interior, and reliable Toyota engineering, the Will is a niche gem ready to make a statement on the streets once again.